Hey everybody, today we're going to do a review on this VEVOR 24-inch propane fire pit. Here's what comes in the box. You've got the instructions right on top. Let's go ahead and pull this out of here and then we'll take a closer look. So that was the top that you saw just sitting on top of there. When you pull that off, it appears to be completely assembled, so I think all we're going to have to do is lift it out of there. Here's their top. They've got masking tape down over the buckles so that the paint doesn't get all scratched up. You are completely assembled. So you get the hose there, regulator. Then here's your controls right there. And then you've got 2 bags of coals to go inside the fire pit. Before we get it fully assembled, let's do some math. So from the outside to the outside, around the outside here, 24 inches. There's a little lip on the inside, and the inside lip is 19 inches inside there. Looks to be about 12 3/4 inches tall. So from the patio to the top, 12 3/4 inches tall. I did measure the hose, and so the gas hose is 10 feet long. Here's a look inside before we put the lava rocks in. You can see around the outside there's plenty of room for air to come up through there. And then there's your gas ring right there. Here's your lid. Lid goes right on top and it fits all the way around the outside of it. So it's going to give you a watertight seal. And then you've got the, once we pull these off, and these will then come down and buckle it on so that it'll stay nice and tight. It won't blow off in the wind or anything. Here's a look at it with the lava rock in there. I just took a leaf blower and gave it a quick blowing, and it got a lot of that fine dust out of there, and it's good to go. So you can see I've got this now hooked up to just a propane tank. It's a 15-pound propane tank right from a gas grill. And there you go. So let's go ahead and fire it up. There's the unit fired up. You can see down here is the controls. And right now I've got it on high. You can bring it down lower. Here's low. High. Very nice. Simple to use. To shut it off, you just take the dial down here and dial it right back to off. It cuts the gas off to it. Go over to the gas tank and turn off the valve. When you're done, put your top on, put that clip like that, and buckle it down. And just like that, you're capped off. Unhook your gas hose. Wrap it around the base a couple times, and it's ready for storage. Now if you need to, you can lift it right up by the handle and put it under cover. There you go. That's your VEVOR 24-inch propane fire pit.